Number 10. George walked the door. Then George opened the door and went out. The answer is he and it.
He and
It.
it. Okay. Go word per word.
George is a noun, which is a proper noun.
Yes.
Walk is a verb.
Okay, yan.
Walked.
Walked.
Walked is a verb.
Yes.
To is a preposition.
Very good.
The is an article,
Article. Very good.
which is definite.
Definite or specific article. Door.
Door is a noun.
Okay.
Then is a
What is then?
conjunction.
Okay, yes.
George sorry. He is pronoun.
Oh, ano yun? Ang klase pronoun yan, alam ko.
He is a personal pronoun.
Alam ko yun.
Ay, sorry. He is a first person. He is a third.
Dito na yan, gusto ko. Nandito talaga ako.
He is a third person, singular, subjective, personal pronoun.
Very good. Open.
Open is a verb.
Yes, it.
It is a pronoun.
Wala po.
Personal pronoun.
Logical.
Okay.
It is.
It is a third person, singular, objective,
Oh, talaga? Nasamahan siya?
objective, personal pronoun.
Yes. Hindi siya pwede maging subject, ha? Kasi nasa gitna na siya eh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
And is a conjunction.
went.
Went is a verb.
Out.
Out is a preposition.
Preposition ba? Turn into?
Verb. Adverb. Sir.
Uulitin ko ha, lahat ng preposition nasa dulo, kahit anong mangyari, adverb na siya.
Adverb.
Preposition mean out.
Opo, anak.
So sabihin mo, out is literally a preposition, but since it's the end of the sentence,
It is
out is adverb.
adverb.
Why? To modify the verb.
Yes, sir.
Diba? Alam mo ah. Next,
Thank you, sir.
11.
John is 5 feet tall. Anne is only 4.5 feet tall. John is tall.